Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? This is Precious here, and if you are just seeing my face for the first time, yeah, welcome to this channel. This is a trading channel. I have a playlist dedicated for beginners, people who are willing to learn and earn in trading. I want you to check through my channel. I have a playlist called Forex for Beginners. Check through the videos there. I have a lot of testimonies from the videos from people who dedicated their time to sit, watch and learn. Going to be of great help to you, especially if your goal is to learn and start earning consistently from the financial markets. Then I want you to check through. I know I've been making a lot of videos recently asking you guys to get a Profem account. Getting a Profem account is very important. It helps you scale, and it won't be nice to just see some certain group of people in my community growing while the rest are not. That is why I have put together this video to help you guys pass your challenge and get funded and have access to huge capital that you can make consistent profit from. Passing a funded account is not just about trading skills. You need to have structure, a good mindset, and also discipline. And in this video, I will show you exactly how I plan to pass my own 100k funded account. And this is not the first time I'm using this plan to pass my 100k account, but I just got this funded account and I want to trade it with you guys. Getting a funded account is the fastest way to scale without risking my personal capital. To get access to huge capital, in this case I have access to $100,000 to trade with. If you can stay disciplined and you pass the challenge phases, you get funded, you trade for yourself, you get the chance to share 80 to 90% of your profits depending on the Profem. It's a very fast way to scale and get your own big capital to trade with. Risk management is the foundation of everything. You need to risk small to win long term in trading. When I trade my Profem account, I don't risk more than 0.5 to 1% of the account. Like now, I'm trading a 100k account and then I am only risking 500. I'm risking 0.5%. So when I make profit, I increase my percent to just 1%. So now I am in a trade and I'm trading with 1% of the account. Very important to understand risk management. Right now, I'm going to show you how to calculate your position sizing. So let's go to the easiest way to calculate your position sizing is on my Forex calculator. So I'm just going to go there now. My fxbook.com, not my Forex calculator. So you're going to go to my fxbook.com. That is the easiest way to calculate your position sizing. So you see home here, I'm going to click on Forex calculators, position size calculator, click, and then it's going to bring me here. Here I have Euro USD. So I'm going to click here and choose any pair that I'm on to check. So let's just say I'm trading Euro USD. So Euro USD, my account currency, I'm trading with USD. So I'll just continue. So my account size now is 100,000. So let me say I'm risking 1% of the account. So my stop loss here, I'll go to my trading view and check. My stop loss here is 51.7. So I'm going to impute it here. This is my stop loss pips, 51.7. And then I'm going to leave this one as 1, then click calculate. You can see this is the lot size I'm supposed to use. So if I use this lot size, 1.93 lot size, and this trade hits my stop loss, I'm going to lose 1,000. Calculating your position size is very important. It helps me know the exact lot size to use. If I lose 3 trades consecutively, I would still be able to trade this account because the maximum loss limit is 10,000. One important thing I do is trading my Profem account like my demo account. So you guys know the Profem account is not actually a live account, right? It's a demo account. Just that your payout, it's real, but the account itself, it's demo. So pressure kills performance. Treating your Profem account like demo account, because I know some of you out there have made a lot of millions with your demo account, but not with your live account. Why? Because the psychology is still building, right? You are not there yet, but you are progressing with your psychology. Journaling helps you track your performance and not just how much you are making, even with your live account. It's kind of like mirroring yourself with the feedback of what you are doing in the market. So it's monitor your emotions and monitor your decisions in the market. When you journal your trade, your wins, the losses, you are not just writing just the good parts, the emotions you were in before you enter the trade. What made you enter the trade? What time frame are you trading from? Are you more of a good buyer or you are more of a good seller? Things like that helps you track your performance in the markets, and helps you monitor and control yourself to now build a good strategy that works for you based on who you are as a person. So journaling is very important. Trading plan is simple. Trade high probability setups. Follow my risk rules strictly. I'm not risking more than 1% of the account, so I'm risking from 0.5 to 1% of the account. Journal my trades daily, even losses and wins. Journal my trade daily so I can reflect back what I'm doing in the market. These are the rules I've been following to pass my Profem accounts. So if you follow these rules strictly with your risk management strictly, you should not have problem passing your own account as well. It's not about passing just one Profem account. If you have this structure written down, you should consistently pass your Profem accounts, and consistently get funded with this structure that I've laid down for you guys now. That is my full plan to pass my 100k Profem account. If you are working towards your own funded challenge, please drop a comment in the comment section and let's do this together. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section if you have questions, or if you are trading a Profem account now, or if you recently passed your own Profem account. Do let us know in the comment section to encourage others. And stay profitable, stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.